In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can create a PDF in your iPhone. So to achieve this, we're going to be using the Google Docs app, right? You can download it from the App Store and sign in with your Google account. So here I'm just going to create the plus icon to create a new document. I'll be creating it from a template. Then I'm just going to select resume. Now in the document, select the little menu icon at the top, the three little dots. Then select share and export. And then select save as Word document. Hit the back button to exit the file. Now select on the little menu icon or the three little dots. Then scroll down. Then select send copy. And then what you're going to do is save it to your files. Select save. Then the next step is that you're going to go to seda.pdf.com to upload that Word document and convert it to a PDF, right? So let's go to the website. So you're going to go under tools and scroll down and select the option that says Word to PDF. Then select upload files, select the Word document file, select open, and then select download. Click on the share icon and then select save the files. So I'm going to change the folder which I'm saving it from Safari to iCloud Drive. So I'm just going to save it into the regular iCloud Drive, then select save. Now let's go to files, and you can see that my resume file is here. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.